I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Subaru WRX battery. First, gather your essential tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal brush, and safety gloves. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is engaged for maximum safety. Remember to wear appropriate personal protective equipment, such as eye protection, to protect yourself from any potential hazards during the process. Safety is always the top priority. Now let's disconnect the old battery. First, locate the negative terminal, which is typically marked with a minus sign and has a black cable. Use your 10mm wrench to loosen the nut, then carefully remove the negative cable. This is crucial to prevent any accidental short circuits. Next, do the same for the positive terminal, marked with a plus sign and a red cable. Finally, unfasten the battery hold-down clamp or strap that secures the battery in its tray. With the cables disconnected, it's time to remove the old battery. These can be quite heavy, weighing around 30 to 40 pounds, so lift with care. Once removed, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the terminal connectors thoroughly with a wire brush to ensure good contact. Now, carefully place your new battery into the tray, making sure it sits flat and is properly aligned. Reattach the battery hold-down clamp or strap firmly to secure it. Finally, let's connect the new battery. Always connect the positive cable to the positive terminal first, tightening the nut securely with your wrench. Then, attach the negative cable to the negative terminal and tighten that nut as well. Double-check that all connections are snug and there's no wiggle. Once everything is secure, start your Subaru WRX to confirm the new battery is functioning correctly. You've successfully changed your battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.